What's up guys, Shane aka Musty Yeti here. I hope you're all doing great. Today is going to be a video that is very long overdue. Leapers UTG sent me out a set of their direct mount bipod legs for your M-LOK rail. I believe they sent these out to me, I don't know, 5 or 6 months ago, so it's been a very long time. I think I've actually tested 3 different scopes with these legs installed, so I have a ton of mileage on these, a ton of experience to now where I can share my opinions and thoughts with you guys. But before I do that, I want to share the specs of these so you guys know everything about the dimensions and the weight. So let's get the rifle on the table over here and we'll get that banged out and we'll come back for my final thoughts. Alright guys, now we got a closer look at the bipod legs from Leaper UTG. Now, like I said before, I'm just going to go ahead and read straight through the spec sheet. I have the iPad down here below me, so let's go ahead and get these things covered. These are made of aircraft grade aluminum, so as you guys know, that means they're going to be super strong, super lightweight. They do come in a matte black finish, which is nice. You don't want something super shiny at the end of your rifle, especially when you're trying to shoot at something from a long distance. You want to remain hidden there, so matte black is nice. The combined weight of these two legs is 10.8 ounces, so really lightweight there, not a big deal. They do offer these for M-LOK and key mod. As you can see, we went with key mod here. They have this unique posi lock system here, guys. As you can see, there's 5 slots. You pull this locking lug here and you can put this wherever you want and it locks into place. Super easy. You have 2, 4, 5 different spots for adjustment here to make this bipod fit your needs whenever you're out in the field or out shooting on a bench. Along with that, you also have 5 slots here of length. So you have tons of variety in how you can run this rifle and make it more useful and make your rifle easier to use. As you'd imagine, because it is direct M-LOK installed, that you can put this thing anywhere on the rail you want, as far forward, as far back. You can put it at the 3, the 6, the 9 o'clock position. You can put these things anywhere you want to really make these things work for you. We have some nice rubberized feet here at the bottom, which do help with the bipod legs, with friction and really grabbing onto whatever surface you are shooting on, be it the ground or a tabletop. As you can see, these bipod legs can be folded to be pretty flush with your rail, your AR-15, so super sleek. When they're not deployed. What's also nice about these things is you can run them, any angle you want. When you want to store it or put it in the bag, you can put them facing forward, or if you want, you can put them facing back, really whatever you prefer. As you can see, I have been running this a lot. I've worn down the paint there, but everything still functions just fine. There's no complaints there with things locking in place. So like I said, just a really well-made, what would you expect from a really well-made piece of aluminum. Center height adjustment is from 5 to 7 inches. The physical length of these things is 7.4 to 10.1. It does require 5 key mod slots per leg or 2 M-LOK slots. It is super easy to install, and the best part is these come with a lifetime warranty. So if you run into any issues whatsoever, you contact Leapers UTG, they'll get you taken care of. Alright guys, so now for my thoughts and opinions on the UTG Leapers direct mount bipod legs. I've really enjoyed them. Like I said, I've had them for a very long time and I have 0 complaints. So for me, these are very quick to deploy, but maybe a little slow to get retracted back into this position. Like you probably saw earlier, all you need to do to get it out is pull that locking lug, get it where you want it, pull the legs out, and as you can see, in seconds, you have your bipod out, ready to go and start shooting. It's also pretty easy to get this thing level on, uneven surfaces. You simply just press the lever and kind of let the weight of the rifle move this leg where it needs to be for you and lock it in place. So super easy there to get it adjusted to the right height. And again, to retract, it's just a little finicky, but I think it's that way with any bipod leg. Pull that locking lug again, put it flush, and you're set to go. Easy to install. You don't need an extra attachment method down here. And what I do like about the direct mount is that when I'm grabbing my rifle to shoot, I can really get a good purchase on my rifle by resting my thumb on that bipod leg and really push down to control and better mitigate that recoil. So that's been really nice. Overall, the construction's been really good too. No complaints there. I don't see you know, anything close to breaking. I see average wear and tear as I've been, you know, using and abusing this thing. The rubber pads still look good. There's not a lot of wear there either. It's just held up really, really nice. And I guess what's a bonus too, you know, if with these, you guys can really put these anywhere you want. If you want to run it down here as well, you could, and keep the front of your rifle free if you really want to get far out there and grab your rail. So you can really, you know, easily make this these bipod legs work for you, set up best for you. But yeah, they've been a great addition to this, what I'm calling my precision rifle, that you know, that I'm leaving this way just for long range shooting. And I should say, if you guys want to know anything about this scope while you're looking at it, I'll put a card in the corner, or anything in here, I'll put a card in the corner. You guys can check it out if you want to see more about this rifle. But yeah, it's been a joy. But yeah, guys, that's about it. If you found this video informative, feel free to give it a like. If you guys haven't, feel free to subscribe. If you are subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Take care, stay safe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.